Signing documents is so easy on a reMarkable. I thought I'd show you how. Basically, it's such a great annotation app that it makes signing documents easy. You don't need to scan anything. So this is how you do it, okay? Basically, you load the document on to your reMarkable on here. Then you sign it. So let us go here. This is my document. And I'm going to sign it. It's me. You sign it and then you send it, okay? So the way you would send that, go back a page, remember tissue paper. You can send it a few different ways. This document that you've now signed will sync back up to myremarkable.com. It will show up on your desktop app and it will show up on your phone app. Okay, so you've got that. Also, if we hop out of here and we go over to the 3 hamburger and we go to integrations, you also can easily send it to any of your integrated drives. So there's several ways you can send it off, okay? But let's go back into that document. Ooh, there's an update installed. See down the bottom here? Okay, PDF document sign. I'll just show you the document drawer. The last one I was in is that one. So we've loaded it on, we've signed it, and then we can send it. We can use the integrated drive I just showed you back on the home screen up the top left. We can send it by email. So down here, this out arrow out of the square, you can send by email. You can add an email address. You can pick the page that you're sending or send the whole document, and you can send it as a PDF, a PNG, or an SVG file. And yeah, you can see all the options there. You've got those options. So it's so cool and so easy to be able to just sign a document, send it off. You can, if you're in your desktop app, you can export. Remember, it has synced over to your desktop app, also your phone app, and you can export it from there. You can do that, right? But you can't send it from my.remarkable.com. I don't know if you know that, but you can't send from there. Use your phone app, desktop app to export. Use your reMarkable to send by email in the format or choices that are there for you. How cool is that? All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.